When I was younger, I really did have a creative side. I liked to take things and, you know, if I could see another use for them, I would take them apart or make things so they would work into a different fashion.
I always liked tearing stuff apart and, you know, putting things together and building things.
I think the most satisfying part is that you're taking something from nothing and creating really whatever you want from it.
People have a mindset that, you know, welders are these big burly guys, and you know, you come onto a job scene and they're looking at you like, really? Like you're the welder, and you just gotta say, yeah, I can do the job just as well.
This summer I have an internship at Volvo Construction Equipment in Shippensburg, Pennsylvania. I'm kind of working with the lead welding engineers there at the company.
When we gave Natalie a tour, she actually had a lot of questions about different aspects of fabrication, and you could see she was very interested in all aspects of manufacturing.
It's pretty broad, and you can kind of go anywhere with this field.
We have people here that started as welders, assemblers, and now they're production managers with us.
The fact that you succeed does not have anything to do with your gender. It depends on how passionate you are about what you're going for. You have to decide, don't let other people try to sway you one way or the other.
Yep, this is exactly what I want to do. I love this.